Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey. For today's recipe, we are going to try something unique and special, that is instant kulfi, which can be prepared within 10 minutes. Please do check our description box below for the exact ingredients and the ratio to be followed. Here I have taken some basic ingredients, that is 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, 6 slices of bread. Any bread, white bread would be specifically good. Evaporated milk, cream, and condensed milk is some basic ingredient which have been used for the bread instant Malai Kulfi. Please do not forget to check our description box for the exact ratio. With the help of a scissor or with a knife, please cut the crust end of the bread loaf. Please do not discard the crust end. You can turn them into breadcrumbs. For recipe, do check our description box link. Please note that you do not need to add the condensed milk. Not add the condensed milk, but just blend the evaporated milk, the cream, and the bread together. Add the condensed milk only at the last stage. One tablespoon of kewra water or 1 tablespoon of rose water is completely optional. If you do not stock paper cups or Matka, that is earthenware cups, then you can also stock them or transfer them into a glass container. Seal them completely and just freeze it overnight or 8 hours. Approx 8 hours is a must. I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. Do share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Dimple's and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name FLOUR&AROMA. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe us.